my god! Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Amanda.
Amanda, you ready to go?
She's busy.
Amanda, you okay?
I said she... Oh my god! No! Oh! How is this possible? Hey! You pay child support! Yeah, I have a really good time.
Me too.
Babe? Oh! Let's go! Oh!
Damn, you're sexy as hell.
Thank you! Wake up! Get up! Wake up, we're going to Disneyland!
A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Just getting home, but I'm moving out the elevator.
Doing that.